Here in problem 1, what we're supposed to do is state the coordinates of the points graphed in this figure right down here. All right, so let's start here with A. Now here's A. I just happen to find A right there. So here's A. Put a red dot there. All right, so let's go back to find the origin, and we'll make our count from the origin. In problem 1 here, what we're supposed to do is state the coordinates of the points graphed in this picture right here. So let's start with A. All right, here's A. I found A down here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a yellow mark at A so I can see it. Well, yellow's not so good. Let's use red. All right, so I'll put a red mark at A. Now we'll go back to the origin. So find the origin. Now I'm seeing the origin right here. There's the origin where the two number lines intersect. So starting from the origin, let's count horizontally first. Then we'll count vertically. So what do we need to do horizontally to get to A? Well, it looks to me like we're going to have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we're going to go 4 units to the right. So I'm going to make a note of that. I'll do it up here at the top. So X is, I'm going to write 4 plus 4 units to the right. Now let's just start at that point right there where we left off, right here. And what do we have to do to get to A? Now we're going to go vertically, so we're going to go up. And let's count here. We're going to go up, what, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be our Y. I'll write it up here at the top. Y is equal to 3. So the coordinates of this point over here, okay, I'm over here on the left now. The coordinates of that point A, I'm going to write as 4 to the right, 3 up. Now let's move over to point B. So look through all the, where is B? Oh, here's B down here. All right, so to get to B, it looks like, okay, starting from the origin now, where are we going to go? I'll do this count. I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go to the left this time. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to the left. So I'll write it down here at the bottom just to keep it in my head here. X is to the left 3 and down, right, to the left, not down yet. So we're going to go to the left 3, and then what about vertically? Well, vertically we're going to go down. So I'm going to start at that point. We're going to go what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. So the Y coordinate is down 6. So let's label B. All right, B is going to be to the left 3 and then down 6. Let's go to C. All right, so where is C? C's right here. All right, so I'll put a red dot right there. Now, what do we need to do to get to C? Well, starting from the origin, right, there's the origin. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right. Okay, I'll do that down here at the bottom. So the X is going to be a 3, positive 3, because I'm going to the right. And what about the Y? Well, starting at that point, I'm right on the axis. I don't go up, I don't go down, so there's 0 movement on the Y. So for C, let's write our coordinate as 3, 0. And what about D? All right, where's D? D's over here. All right, so to get to D, it looks like we're going to start at the origin. We're going to move to the right, so X will be positive. Then we're going to go down, so Y will be negative. So let's do our count here. So this is D now. So to get to D, I'll start at the origin here, and we're going to go what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like we're going to go to the right 6. I'll do it over here in the very bottom right. So X is 6. And then starting at that point, let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the Y is going down, negative 4. So our coordinate, D, is, I'll write it up here in the big white space here, is this ordered pair, 6, negative 4. And E, what are we going to do for E? Where's E? Oh, E is way up here. All right, so it looks like it's to the left and up. So the X is going to be negative. Negative how much? Start at the origin. What are we doing? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'll do that at the very top. So X is going to go to the left 5, and then starting from that point, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the y is 6. So our coordinate for point E is going to be to the left 5 and then up 6. And we've got one more, and that is F. Let's erase those lines. So where's F? F is right here, all right? So it looks like there's no horizontal movement. Just to get to F, I'm just going to fall down 3 units. So I'm going 0 horizontal, but down 3. All right, so F looks like we've got 0 horizontal, and what did we say? Down 3. Okay, there we go.